Joe Burnich with Big West Marketing. Hey everybody, I want to introduce you to the Big West Academy. This is SEO training, how to get ranked up on Google and make your phone ring for service area businesses. If you have a business that performs a service, it goes out to people's homes. We work with a lot of electricians, plumbers, HVAC, carpet cleaners, restoration, exterior cleaning services. All of these types of home service businesses need SEO. They need to show up on Google, in the Google Maps, and in the organic section. That's what this training is all about. I made this just for you guys, okay? There is going to be an upfront investment for this product, for this service, for this course, but you will be able to make your money back by 10x. 10 times the money you invest. I promise you can make that back if you follow my advice. I'm going to break this down into 9 to 10 different videos, 5 minutes to 20 minutes long, that show you exactly how, from step by step in plain English, how to rank on Google and get your phone ringing so you can get more jobs and grow your business. Now, I have not seen anything else out there on the internet that provides you this much of specific service for this type of business. SEO works differently for service businesses than it works for retail, than it works for restaurants, than it works for like selling online e-commerce type stuff. Service-based businesses have a special way that they need to do things to make Google like them. They're already behind the 8 ball because Google already has so many people scamming the system. I'm going to show you guys how to do it right and do it right the first time. This is perfect for new business owners that have no experience with computers, with IT, with online, anything. This is broken down into plain English so that anybody can do this stuff. This will give you a massive edge over your competition because most people are not taking the time to learn how to do it right. Everybody does kind of like a quick, sloppy, let's just throw some stuff in there and hope it works. Even SEO companies are doing it that way. That's not how we do it at Big West Marketing. We want to build a business for the long term. We want you to get ranked, but then stay ranked for years to come so you have a constant flow of steady business. Some of the stuff that you will discover is how to optimize your Google My Business account now. How you do it now. It's changed over the last couple of years. There's better ways to do it. Things have changed a lot. I'm going to show you simple website tweaks that you can do today, and tomorrow you can double, triple the number of conversions you get, the number of people that actually call you once you get traffic to your website. I'm going to show you how to dominate multiple cities, get work from different cities around your metro, not just the city you have your physical location in. I'm going to show you how Google looks at addresses, how you can design the perfect address for Google and what Google's going to like so you rank in the most profitable areas, the high-end areas where people have money and they're willing to spend that with you. I'm going to break down what citations are and backlinks. I'm calling it backlinks for dummies. It can be kind of confusing at first. It sounds kind of techie, but I'm going to break it down so you can understand exactly what it means and how to go out there and start getting it now. Also going to introduce powerful tools that we use to rank our clients so you can take those tools and go do it yourself, or how to outsource this stuff. I'm going to show you guys how to outsource everything. I'm going to show you different websites and different tricks that you can use to hire people overseas for pennies on the dollar. I'm talking $5 to $10 an hour. They can do all the same stuff that an expensive agency can do. I'm going to show you guys the secrets on how you can go out and hire these people to do it for you so you don't have to do any of this stuff yourself. I'm also going to show you how to fix Google My Business suspension issues. If you've been suspended, I'm going to show you how we've gotten lots of our clients step by step with case studies, how we've gotten them unsuspended, and exactly what we did along with cheat sheets. So we've been doing this since 2009. I have a lot of testimonials listed before, or you can just search Big West Marketing on Google and see all of our Google reviews. I think we have 160, 170 of them right now. But go check that out. Click on the link below. The price will not stay at what it is right now. The price will go up over time. As this builds momentum and as I add more and more videos to this stuff, you will get the price and you will have lifetime access to this. So click on the link below before it's too late. My name is Joe Burnich with BigWestMarketing.com, and I will see you on the inside.